shout out to Echelon Bike and Sport downtown Santa Rosa for ordering the bike. This is just showing the made to last lifetimes checklist, which is lifetime free replacement bearings, 10-year stock of small parts, no proprietary tools needed, just a multi-tool, bearings and link, not frame, short stout links, wedge keyed for removal, expanding collet axle, extra seals over bearings, Zerk's grease port. And here they and I are just highlighting fresh from our solar powered bicycle factory in California. Their mountain biking factory is powered by solar. And here I'm just highlighting that it is fall season, Joey the Jack-o'-lantern season. Whoops. Back in action. Video speaks for itself on this unboxing. Swiss. That's my favorite color and tape. Ooh, that fox float is gold. That is sick. It's gold like the fox tail of Peeny Weeny. Upon further inspection on the DT Swiss through axle is a deeper, darker fall orange, not red. Yes, down tube storage. Big reason I wanted this bike. Oh, I gotta take that off. Take the tool off. Where's my phone? That's a joke. As I'm using my cellular to record this. Ran inside, got my triangle bicycle wrench, and took off the two little screws that were holding on the cardboard with the link that you scan your phone over to register your bike for the lifetime warranty. After I scanned over my phone with the photo lens on the QR code, it was pretty intuitive, easy to input your model for the lifetime warranty. All the information and the VIN was already actually on there through that link. So Echelon wasn't listed on the seller for where you bought it. You have to put your receipt info in and stuff. But you can type in other if you bought it from a store that isn't listed by sellers for Santa Cruz, and you just type in where you bought it from. Work of art. Chainstay guard. The reason why I ordered this frame, Tallboy CC, you can only get it with an electronic group set. I do not want to have to plug my bike in. I don't need a motor or computer chips or keyboards or anything like that. I like the simplicity and freedom of mechanical. So I'm going to build it up through Echelon Bike and Sport. I'm going to build it up through Echelon Santa Rosa Downtown and get probably get custom i9 wheel set, group set, colorful chain stays, and it's even got purple accents with the. Here's an example of the Industry 9 wheel set that Kevin from Echelon was showing me to build. Different tones of orange throughout the sun. Perfect. Exactly what I want. I have this bike hopefully for life. Also, mechanical is easier to work on, cheaper, and lighter. I will eventually do a follow-up video on this when the bike is all put together with all the components and the new wheel set, front shock, everything is going to look beautiful and really purple, orange, etc. colorful. Probably some greens and stuff. I can't wait till I get to bring this bike to Santa Cruz, do some riding. Northern California, definitely the best to train and have fun. Tallest, biggest trees, rad life. Ow, ow. I'm also officially a Santa Cruz brother with my Endurbro. You know who you are.